Right out of the gate, this isn't just a minor scuffle. A charge like this can mean jail time, fines, and here's the real twist, serious consequences if you're already on probation. So the big question, is this self-defense, or did things spiral way out of control?
Mr. Smith, you're now charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine.
On July 8th, 2024, the security manager at SATF advised that there was an altercation between two residents. The complaining witness advised that on July 1st, 2024, he was involved in a physical altercation with the defendant. The complaining witness said he was going down a hallway on his way to get a counselor's name for his own records, and as he was talking to the counselor, the defendant walked by and stated, "I would have him hit by now," to the counselor. The defendant struck the complaining witness in his left cheek with an open palm. The complaining witness felt pain and exited the altercation without retaliating. On July 6, 2024, the complaining witness threw iced coffee on the defendant due to an earlier assault. On July 8, 2024, while the complaining witness...
This is where it gets messy. We're hearing two completely different narratives. One says unprovoked attack, the other says retaliation and ongoing conflict. Legally, that distinction matters a lot. Self-defense only works if the force is immediate and proportional. So does going back later cross the line into revenge? What do you think?
Was sleeping. The defendant entered the dormitory and struck the complaining witness with closed fist on his face and back, and the complaining witness felt pain. The defendant admitted to the July 1st, 2024 strike and said that it was hot coffee on July 6, 2024, and said on July 8th, the complaining witness was present and awake and had been taunting him throughout the day.
Mr. Smith, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. We took you into custody because you have a felony warrant. You're on probation for a 4 to 200 second-degree felony, and now they've issued a warrant. You're at no bond. So
why is that? I was at the treatment facility. Oh, go ahead, finish. I'm sorry.
it's okay.
I was at the treatment facility, and the roles were turned. He threw hot coffee in my face, and of course I reacted. So
Let you guys get down to that at a later time. I don't know. We will get all the evidence, and the evidence is going to point to whose story is correct because there's always two sides. I just don't know, and it's too early to find out. I wanted to let you know why we're taking you into custody, because you're on felony probation. You've now picked up this case. They've issued a warrant, and you're at no bond on that case now.
why is there no bond? I was at the treatment facility. It was mutual combat. Somebody hit you, you hit them back, and it's mutual combat.
I know that you're saying that, but how do I know if that's right? I don't know. I wasn't there. We got to figure out what happened, really, but I don't know. At this point, regardless, you've picked up a new case. And the other problem is there's only so many treatment facilities we have. I'm now barring you from going back to this treatment facility. I don't want you to accidentally run into this person.
Are you going to bar me?
Yes.
I'm doing excellent at that thing. There just because they got to keep harassing
Certainly
me.
not.
You can call the people up there. They'll tell you. Kelly Doyle will tell you. I'm doing what I have.
I know Kelly well.
Please call her. She'll tell you. Kelly Doyle will tell you that she won't me back there.
Okay. For now, I'm ordering you now not to have any contact with the complaining witness,
How long?
not to be in possession of weapons. The problem is that if this person is still over there, I don't want you to accidentally bump into them. So regardless, it's the felony court that's going to send you to whichever facility that you're going to go to. I don't have any control over where you go to.
And here's the real kicker. This case isn't just about who threw the first punch. It's about probation, violations, and a system that doesn't give second chances easily. One decision, one moment of reaction, and now everything's at risk. So was this truly self-defense or the mistake that change?
I was going to be done next month.
The other kicker is this, is while this case is open anyways, you're not going to go to any facility until this case is over. So I will appoint you someone today. We'll figure out where we're going to go from here. And then at some point, we'll get you back into the facility. Or another equal.
Kelly, we talk to Kelly, please.
But it's the felony court. I don't have any say over what the felony court does. It's the 228. You're in a good court, though. That's good news. So